In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix your Swann camera keeps going offline. So step number 1, we're going to check our internet connection. So make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. And how can you do it? Well, you can test with another device. For example, your phone or laptop near the camera. So you can restart your router and modem, unplug it for about 30 seconds and then plug back in. And when you have done so, you can actually do it with your mobile instead, or laptop basically. So go into your Wi-Fi and then go into Google or whatever and try to see if it actually loads on your phone or laptop. If it does, then we can basically rule out that Wi-Fi is probably not the issue. But it can still be the issue if your Wi-Fi signal is actually not that good. So if the camera is far from the router, you can actually try like this. Moving the router closer to the camera, using a Wi-Fi range extender or mesh system. And by the way, some Swann cameras only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and not 5, just so you know. So make sure your camera is connected to the correct band. As step number 3, what we can also do is to power cycle the camera. So unplug the camera's power adapter, wait 15 to 30 seconds, and then plug it back in and let it reboot fully. Step number 4, we can also update firmware. So open the Swann security app, then you're going to check for firmware updates under device settings and then firmware. Apply any available updates because sometimes this can also fix the issues, just so you know. Step number 5, check the power supply. So make sure the power cable is not loose or damaged. For battery-powered models, ensure the battery is charged or replaced if it's necessary. You would be surprised on how many people actually don't know this, and this is also one way to actually fix this problem for sure, if that is the thing. It might seem very obvious, but please double check. Step number 6, reset the camera's Wi-Fi connection. In the Swann app, you can also remove the camera and set it up again as a new device. Reconnect it to Wi-Fi carefully, making sure you input the correct password. And you can also assign a static IP address. This is optional, by the way. This is a bit more complicated. So if your router settings in your router settings, assign a static IP to the camera to reduce disconnection issues. This step is optional but can help if the camera drops offline frequently. And this can be a bit hard. So like if you are not that good with Wi-Fi settings and actually going into the router and stuff like that, I wouldn't really mess with it, to be honest. Step number 8, factory reset the camera. So locate the reset button on the camera, hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED flashes or voice prompt confirms reset. Reconnect then the camera using the Swann app again. And you can also contact the Swann support, of course. So if none of the above actually works for you, the camera may have a hardware fault, just so you know. So reach out to the Swann support for further help or warranty service. So this is basically exactly how you can try to fix this issue.